Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up an integration to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to ClickUp. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, in ClickUp you can create new tasks and conveniently interact with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. At this stage you need to select a data source system, Google Lead Form. Next, select the action, Get Leads, New. At this stage, you need to create a virtual Google Lead Form account in the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list, select it and click Continue. Now you see the URL for receiving data. It is to this URL that new data from the Google Lead Form will be sent. In order to continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Assets section and select Lead Form. Now we need to select the lead form from which we want to receive new leads and go to its settings. We find in the item Other Data Integration options. Paste the copied URL. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After this, you need to send test data to the specified URL. To do this, click Send Test Data. After successful submission, click Save and return to the ApiX-Drive system. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so click Continue. At this stage you see an example of the data that has just been generated. If you are satisfied with everything, click Continue. This completes the Google Lead Form data source setup successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination setting. Choose ClickUp System. Then select the action, Create Task. At this stage you need to connect your ClickUp account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you must specify the login and password of your ClickUp personal account. We provide ApiX-Drive access to work with your ClickUp account. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage you need to select the workspace in which new tasks will be created for each new lead from Google Lead Form. Next, select Space. Next, select List. Now, you see ClickUp fields for creating new tasks. You can assign variables from Google Lead Form to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables, but also enter values manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to ClickUp in the form of new tasks for each new lead from Google Lead Form. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ClickUp. After successful sending, go to ClickUp and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the configuration of ClickUp as a data destination. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.